So you're a motorcyclist. You've been in a crash. It's not your fault. You've been seriously injured. You weren't wearing a helmet. And a lot of people ask the question, well, can I still recover from my injuries if I'm not wearing a helmet? Because Colorado doesn't require you to wear a helmet if you're over the age of 18. And the short answer is yes. You can still collect for your injuries, but here's how it's going to work with the insurance company. They're going to come in and they're going to try to say, hey, you wouldn't have been injured so badly had you been wearing a helmet. That's going to be their defense. It's called comparative negligence that they're going to try to attribute to you. What's unique about this is that most of the time in an injury case, you have the burden of proof. But on this narrow issue, this issue of your helmet, that burden shifts over to the defense. And they're the ones that are going to have to prove that you not wearing the helmet somehow, some way made your injuries worse. If they can't do that, you get to collect in full.